Here the question, the symbol is given. This is a symbol of, the options are given: A. Gate valve, B. Butterfly valve, C. Ball valve, D. Needle valve. Gate valves are designed for fully open or fully closed service. They are installed in pipelines as isolating valves. They should not be used as control or regulating valves. Operation of gate valve is performed doing an either clockwise to close or clockwise to open rotating motion of the stem. When operating the valve stem, the gate moves up or downwards on the threaded part of the stem. If you watch this figure, this is the figure of a gate valve with the rotation of this wheel, that is valve stem. The gate may goes down or moves up. So here the option A, gate valve, is the correct option.